Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel where we dive deep into the most exciting and luxurious machines on the road. Today, we're reviewing the 2026 Kenworth T3000, a truck that takes modern design, innovation, and comfort to the next level. Kenworth has always been a name trusted by long-haul drivers, but with the T3000, they've managed to combine raw power with futuristic technology and premium features that redefine the driving experience. The first thing you'll notice about the T3000 is its striking design. The aerodynamic body cuts through wind with efficiency, giving drivers not only improved fuel economy but also a commanding presence on highways. The grille is bold, and the LED headlight system is sharper and brighter, ensuring visibility in all conditions. The truck looks aggressive yet sophisticated, with fine details in the chrome touches and sleek lines that highlight its modern character. Step inside the cabin, and you're welcomed into a space that feels more like a luxury apartment than a truck. The driver's seat is built for long hours with advanced ergonomic support, massaging functions, and adjustable settings that adapt to every driver's preference. The dashboard is fully digital, featuring a large touch display that integrates navigation, performance data, and entertainment in one smooth interface. Connectivity has also been upgraded, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and high-speed Wi-Fi available on board. What sets the T3000 apart is its living space. The sleeper cab has been redesigned for maximum comfort, featuring a full-size bed, smart storage solutions, and even an optional mini fridge and microwave setup. Lighting is customizable with ambient LED strips, making the cabin a relaxing haven after long drives. It's clear Kenworth has kept driver lifestyle at the center of its design. Under the hood, the 2026 T3000 offers multiple powertrain options, including an advanced diesel engine and a hybrid system designed for fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The ride quality is exceptionally smooth, thanks to upgraded suspension and intelligent driver assist systems. Features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision mitigation bring safety to a whole new level, giving drivers peace of mind even during the toughest roads. For fleet owners, the T3000 also comes with predictive maintenance technology. Sensors track the health of the truck in real time, alerting drivers and managers about potential issues before they become costly problems. This makes the T3000 not only powerful and comfortable, but also practical and efficient for long-term use. In short, the 2026 Kenworth T3000 isn't just a truck. It's a statement of what the future of trucking looks like. With its blend of power, technology, safety, and comfort, it sets a new standard in the industry. Whether you're a professional driver or a fleet operator, the T3000 is built to impress and perform.